clear communications of science is really important, full stop. A lot of science in the UK is funded by public money. Those are taxpayers. If they've paid the bills, they should really be able to understand and access what's been done with their money. But I think in cancer research, there's quite a strong patient community who's involved in research and interested in research and wondering whether they can benefit from the research. And it's really hard for them to do that and to get involved in PPI and oversight of trials. And it's really hard for them to do that if you're not talking to them pretty clearly about what's possible, what isn't possible, what's being done, what's not being done. And cancer is a really heterogeneous disease, and so we're expecting people to be treated differently, we're expecting people to be diagnosed in slightly different ways, expecting people to undergo tests to see what mutations or what might have gone on in their cancer, and all of that places a burden either on the people who want to be involved in trials and need to know this stuff, or people who are being treated who need to understand that there might be a gap between diagnosis and treatment for a valid reason rather than because there's a waiting list. And I think you've got to ask people to buy into a fair bit of stuff with cancer treatment, and they're not going to do that if they don't get it. And I think that's a really powerful reason to my mind where you need to talk to people and talk to them in English.